Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nadia Omaira and I am from E02. So today I'm going to complete my task, which is CSR in guiding community to use Microsoft Excel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a graph by using Microsoft Excel. So firstly, you need to open your Microsoft Excel and then you can click to the blank workbook. To make a graph, you need to start with a table which have the data. So then we can proceed to make a graph. Now I got my own table. Okay, so now I need to make a graph or chart about the percentage of ride-hailing abuser. So to make a chart, you need to go to insert. When you go to insert, go to this part. They got here they got many type of graph or chart. To make a comparison of the percentage of ride-hailing abuser, I'm gonna choose pie chart. And they got 3 types of pie chart. Here 2D pie, 3D pie, and donut pie chart. Okay, to make it attractive and easy to understand, I will choose 3D pie here. Okay, but this data is not really correct, so we need to select our own data. So how to select the data? Right click, go to select data. Okay, so you need to delete this chart data range because it has caused our chart wrong. Okay, so delete it. Now select. I don't want total in my pie chart, so I don't select the total. I just select types of option, yes and no. Okay, so I also need to select this row so it can complete my pie chart. So I click comma and then choose the row. Okay, no need the total part because our pie chart will gonna be wrong. Okay, now for legend entries, you need to select percentage of ride-hailing apps. Okay, now you can click OK. Okay, now you already got your pie chart. Okay, if you want to make it properly, you don't want to be it in the table sheet, you can move it to a new sheet. Okay, so how to move the pie chart to a new sheet? You can right click and go to move chart. Okay, select the new sheet. Okay, so the new sheet, what you want to name it, you can put the name for your new sheet. Okay, so yeah, I want to put percentage of ride-hailing app user. Then at this part, you can choose where your sheet gonna put, after sheet 1 or before sheet 1. Okay, so I choose sheet 1 because I want to be between them. So click OK. Now they make a new sheet for your pie chart. Okay, and then if you want to make it after sheet 1, then hold the percentage of ride-hailing app sheet and move it after sheet 1. And now your sheet have to be arranged. Okay, now how to make your pie chart more interesting? Okay, of course we need to change the color. Okay, to change the color, you can to change the color, you can click to the part where you want to change the color. Okay, first I want to change the yes part, which is blue color. I want to change it to the blue one. Okay, double click. Okay, or you can go to format data point where if you right click. Okay, go to this pane bucket, select solid. Okay, and then I want to choose green color. Okay, now for the border, I want to use a solid line. and I want to use a darker blue to look it like a border. So to increase the borderline, increase the width of the borderline, you can click this increase button on the side of the number. Click, and then your border the border width is increasing. Okay, to change the color of the no part, you can do the same thing by clicking no part, and then choose the fill color. I want to choose red, and for the borderline I want to choose a darker red. So increase the borderline. Okay, now how to show your percentage on pie chart. To make a percentage label, you can right click, go to add data labels. Okay, here your percentage has been added. Okay, so click on the percentage labels. Okay, now you can make either your percentage level you want to add shadow, glow, or soft edge, and or 3D format. You also can increase the size and alignment or change the color. Okay. Okay. Now I have added my label of the chart. So here I put some shadow at here, and I make some edit, so it looks they got a shadow, so the label got the shadow. Okay, now let's change the title, not change the title but change the font. Okay, no. Okay, select the title, go to font, and you can choose what types of font that you want. Okay, so I'm gonna choose Times New Roman. Okay, and increase the size since it was a title. Okay, for the label, you can change the layout. If you want, they got so many layout here, but I will be comfortable with this. Okay, and then you can increase it to their size. Okay, now let's correct our label back. Okay, done. Okay, you also can change the background of the graph. Okay, I want to choose a purple color so it match with the table. Okay, here I gonna use a light purple, just this, and another background I want to choose a darker purple. Oh no, maybe a little bit light. Okay, you also can make a border. So I want to make a solid line border, and for the color I choose a darker purple. Same step, I want to include. Okay, now so you see here your my graph, the title and the label got a little bit blurry, so I need to change the font color. Okay, go to the font color part, choose the black one. Okay, now they're more darker. Okay, same goes as these two. Go to the home and go to the font color. Okay, now you have done your pie chart. Proceed to step to save your pie chart. Okay, this step is special for Mac OS user. Okay, so now go to the file, go to the save as. Okay, now say you can put the what title do you want to save for your pie chart, and here is where you want to download or you want to put your file. Okay, you can either choose application, desktop, document, and more. And then if you want to say download, you can put the download, and here you need to first select your file format, either you want a PDF, Excel, and more. Okay, so I'm going to choose Excel workbook and then save. Okay, so you're done, save your pie chart. Okay, so just that from me, so bye.